to make $300 by typing names online, and this is available worldwide. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Abraham Street, and I'm back today with another video. I'm going to be showing you an amazing way on how to make $300 by just typing names online, and this, as I said, this is available worldwide. So if guys, if you know that this is something that you want to do to start making some bunks, keep watching. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because I create videos like this on a daily basis. And also, if you stick to the end of this video, you're gonna get a free bonus. All right, so keep tuned. All right, guys, so the website that I'm gonna want you guys to go on today to start making some money is gonna call Squad Help. So what you're gonna do, this site is basically helping business owners to actually create amazing name for their business, their apps. So basically, and also you can do create logo design and all of those stuff here, and they're gonna be paying you a lot of money to do that. It's totally free to sign up on everything. So this is everything is gonna be free, and it's gonna be awesome, guys. So you can just come on here, you can do research. They have a ton of lovely reviews on Google, so you can go research on it. This site, Squad Help. So once you come here, all you need to do is sign up. So you even can read like testimonial. This platform serve the one-stop shops. Oh, shit. But guys, this is a great site. I'm gonna be honest with you. So once you signed up and log in, all you're gonna do is click on dashboard because I'm already logged in. So the first step on making this bank is actually sign up for how you're gonna get paid, guys, because that's the most important thing for us, right? So I'll recommend if you're in the United States, Canada, or the UK, you can transfer the money from like your PayPal account to your bank account, then select PayPal. But if you're in places like Jamaica, like where I'm at, and you just use Payoneer, so it's an amazing platform where you can just link your bank account to it. And before I even go deeper in the video, guys, I'm just going to show you that this is actually legit. These are some persons that's actually making money on this right now. So if you look at this, this was on August the 1st, which was like 3 days ago. And this person made $250 by just one design, by creating one name for a company. Also on August the 1st, another person made $300. Another person, July the 31st, made $300. And it keep going on, guys. So this is an amazing way to start earning some banks. So guys, once you like that was very simple. So once you're actually sign up, you set up how you're gonna get paid. Now the next thing is actually you're gonna go on contest right here, and then click on active contest right here. Very simple. So once you click on active contest, what you're gonna do, guys, wait on until it's load up. All right, so it's load up now. So once you're at active contest, guys, what you're gonna do, you're gonna look for a proper business and say, hey, you're gonna join the contest on creating a lovely name for them. So, and for like a great tip, once you're actually on this, make sure you look at right here where you say guaranteed price, which is gonna be $200 for this one if you actually create a name and they pick yours. Then you can just scroll down, see which one you want to pick. So for this one, need a logo. So guaranteed again, you're gonna $133, $5. This one, so you're gonna get $300 money guarantee as well. So I'm just gonna pick this one. So all you're gonna do is just click on here. Very simple, guys. So this is literally very simple to do. It's very easy, and it's not going to be taking a lot of time. All you need to do is just find a proper name, and then the company is going to be paying you bunks like money like on a daily basis. So I'm just going to show you how to do everything very simple. So this load up now. So for one, as you can see, the person need like naming, right? Company name, right? See, the type of company right here. So it's on the entertainment and art business. That's basically what it's under. So what you're gonna do is gonna read all of these information. What are they expensive expecting additional information. Please make sure this name doesn't match any large channel on YouTube. Bonus points for the name. So like guys, just read these things. You can know where the business is from. So greedy, then you another thing now. Once you have a name idea, what you can do is actually create a name out of your head, make up the name, create it. Like if you know that you're actually good at those stuff, you can do it. Right? But if you're gonna say, hey, O'Brien, I don't know, like I don't have any clue on like creating a business name. What you can do is actually go on Google and search for business name generator, right? So guys, once you do that, then all you're gonna do is actually come up here, enter the type of business. Remember ours was entertainment and art business. Then you're gonna click generate name. All right, it's that very simple, guys. So I'm not really doing anything. I'm just clicking and I'm copying and pasting basically. So once I do that, all right, so I'm gonna say okay, these are entertainment entertainably. So what you're gonna do, just look at a lot of one on the art lab, like Art Nation, Art Agent. Find something that actually attractive and know you know that's gonna actually fit. Get all that. That's gonna actually fit this type of business. So once you know that it's actually fit and is the type of person, the thing that the person or the business owner is asking for, you just actually select it. And once you select it and actually enter it, then you're gonna get that $300, guys. So this is a very easy way to make by start making money in 2021 by just writing names, guys, and also just to show you how much persons are earning right now. So for the number one persons right now would have actually 6 wins within the last month, earn over $44,930. Another person that will have just only 4 wins within the last month have $92,320, guys. So people are actually making money. This is the third winner. I only have 3 wins. I have $5,169, guys. So people are actually making money off of this. It's a big box section, guys. So it's amazing. So what you can do, just go ahead, start signing up on these, start making some money. And now I'm gonna give you the guys a bonus. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be honest with you. This is not where this is not a lifetime thing. I would recommend that you say, hey, I'm gonna stick to this and I'm gonna do it for life. I'd recommend that you do this, start making a little funds and then actually invest in something that you can actually put on autopilot or something that actually can change your life completely, right? So for anyone like wanna actually start changing their life today, I'm gonna have the first link below this video is gonna have my number one recommended way and start making money online, and that's what I'm actually doing, guys. So if you're really interested in taking up your life in your hand, then I recommend that go click that link. And also, for please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button because amazing videos every single day. And peace out.